welcome to Warcraft. First of all, you can take any of the nail paint, whichever color you like to and whichever company you want to take. So you can take any nail paint and just open up and put some nail paint on your thumb or your finger. If in case your nail paint color is light, you can put 2 coats of it. Then take white color matte nail paint so that it can look more good on any color of nail paint. So just put on the white color nail paint like this. Then usually you can take any of the hairpin which you use normally in your home, so you can use it for the nail art. Then take any transparent color nail paint and give a coating of it so that all of the nail paint on art which you have made could just place on nicely and could shine brighter. And here we are ready with our nail art. So yay! Check this out. I hope you all like my video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.